Morning guys. So karon is nalaya na jud siya guys ay iso natagak na jud ng kwan kinibukad naman ng isa. Actually guys kani deng green dere guys this area is mga seeds din na siya guys. Kung matagak na siya mo na ni siya mahimo ni siyang like this. No, mahimo na siyang like this. Maturok din na siya guys. Kani example this mahinog din na siya guys. Is the one is their seeds and then can fall down to the water and then grow na po siya into another lotus. So the never ending story of this lotus guys, it won't stop until there is no seeds guys na fall down, and always keep on repeating the cycle for it because tag 3 days 3 to 5 days ang ilahang flower raj, and then malaos na dayon siya so still can grow into a nice flower pot guys. Kay magsiguro di siya kuan ang iyahang cycle kay matsagak ang seeds lagi. This is the seeds. So kani kailangan pa mahinog ang seeds. Bahala mo